Can my HVAC system spread viruses? A heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system can move virus-containing particles through indoor air, but it usually does not create viruses or spread them by itself. When an infected person breathes, talks, coughs, or sneezes, tiny particles can enter the air. Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system may pull some of that air through return vents and send it back through the building. A basic filter can catch some particles, but no filter catches everything. Filters with a higher minimum efficiency reporting value rating usually remove more small particles, though the system must be strong enough to handle the thicker filter. A useful but less known fact is that running the fan continuously can improve filtration, but it can also move contaminated air around if the filter is poor or the system has leaks. Bringing in outdoor air can lower the amount of virus indoors by diluting indoor air. Portable air cleaners with high-efficiency particulate air filters can help, especially in crowded rooms or rooms with limited windows. To reduce risk, use the correct filter, replace it when needed, improve outdoor air safely, and avoid pointing fans directly from one person toward another. One common mistake is assuming that a stronger filter is always better, so check the equipment instructions before installing one that restricts airflow. Another mistake is believing that air conditioning alone disinfects a room, so combine filtration with fresh air, cleaning, and staying home when sick. People also forget that dirty filters, leaky ducts, and blocked return vents reduce performance, so inspect them regularly and ask a qualified technician to correct problems. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.